Hey Jazzy Doll Gang, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So girl, in this vlog, pretty much we are going to be getting organized and doing like a mini reset. We will be going through a lot of my old things, getting rid of some old shades, a lot of empties that are just still sitting on my counter. For what reason, I really couldn't tell you. But this portion of the video is gonna be more of a montage, so I will let y'all enjoy this portion of the video, and I'll be back to check in. back to another video. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. Girl, we in Walmart. These cute sneakers for fall. Y'all, I am obsessed. I have these. I need to get a new pair because the ones I have are dirty. But these are tea. Walmart got it going on, baby. Okay. Walmart said they're ready for fall. Anyway, I'm just picking up a few groceries for today for the house, and then we just about to head home. What these is? Somebody trying to hide these. Size 10, they cute. This my size. Cute. Anyway, let me go and check out. Alright, so this is my little mini haul from Walmart. I just got some Minute Maids, some almond milk. We got some chicken breasts because we are making chicken spaghetti tonight. We got the spaghetti noodles, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, rotel tomatoes. I got some bananas, got some cheese, some cereal for Aiden, a little bit of bread, eggs, and some water. So I'm about to put this up and probably wash these few little dishes that's in the sink. And yeah, y'all, I didn't post a vlog last week. I don't think, did I? I don't think I did. When I say you last week, your girl was going through it. Your girl was going through it. But it's a new week. We are gonna keep an open mind and just start this week off with an open mind. My cycle just hit this morning, and I'm thankful it's here. But girl, mentally, I just be going through it before my cycle hit. It's like my PMS is just getting worse and worse. Like, I really be crashing out. But anyway, let's put this food on. Y'all, so yesterday before church, I was like, ooh, I need to shave my armpits because of the shirt that I was wearing. And I hopped in the shower without getting a fresh razor. So I was like, okay. I was like, oh, I got some nair right here. So I have naired my armpits in the past, and it's like a hit or miss. Either it works or it doesn't, and then I end up burning my skin. Can you guess what happened yesterday? Burnt that skin up. So, honey, I done been to the gym this morning. I didn't put no deodorant on because, girl, it hurt up on the toe. So I just been putting like some Vaseline to kind of like, you know, so I don't get all raw and stuff. But girl, ate up. Good morning. What's good with your mind? I hope I'm in frame. Good morning, Jazzo gang. Girl, today 30. I'm gonna try to get this vlog uploaded today so that I can record another vlog for later on in the week. But good morning. We are up. I'm just about to pick up a little bit, like straighten up, and then get ready to head to the gym. I feel better today. As I said yesterday, honey, the cycle has hit, baby. It's like, once you get that confirmation, it's like, okay, now I know why you was acting crazy. So annoying. But, yeah. Let's pick up. Take me through that. Take me through that. Take me through that. Take me through that. This song stuck in my head, y'all.
Y'all, but when I'm like lounging on my couches and stuff, I do not like to just lay on my couch. Put a blanket down. Help preserve your couch, because you know your body got lotions, it has oils and all those type of things. You know, protect your couch. That's just me. I already know. Y'all see some fall stuff hanging around, and I ain't did the fall vlog yet, so just act like you ain't see it. Because I still got a tour coming soon. But I'm in the process of changing my linens and my bed sheets as well, so we ain't about to do that because y'all done seen me make my bed 1,000 times. Like, every vlog I'm making my bed. But that's okay, because as I said, I am gonna make my bed girly. So therefore, make a grocery store run. But that'll be in the next vlog because, yo, I ain't got no more coffee. I'm talking about I'm out of everything. Ain't no coffee. Got no creamer. Got some sugar. Girl, I just went to the gym and guess where I'm at? Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Getting some protein. Lady, what you doing, honey? Anyway. And I beat the lunch traffic. Yeah. Thank you. But anyway. I just got the... Oh, that reminds me. I got a TikTok that I need to edit. I just got the pretzel cheddar chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. Y'all, this is my 3rd time eating this sandwich. It's so good. I love it. I like the bread. I just like it. And then cherry berry Sprite. Baby, this cherry berry Sprite hitting. And it look like they put a lot of cherry in here today. Yeah. But anyway, I just left. Oh, I just said that. I just left the gym and stuff. But we about to head home, girl, and eat this lunch and get our day started. But I'm probably going to end the vlog here. Well, not here. I'm going to go ahead and go home. And I'm going to taste this sandwich. We'll do a taste test together. Just in case any of y'all have not tried it and you want my 2 cents, I got you. So, call y'all back. Uh-oh, look at that girl on TV. Hey. What's T, mama? Baby, I'm tired. The day with leg day, and I don't want the Chick-fil-A, got my protein. Alright. Let's try the cherry berry Sprite together. So I thought I could just, lay down and lay off a little bit, but she's still on. But oh my God, 10 out of 10. It's good, but I feel like it's like y'all can be triggering. Wow. She was cheap. So this is what the sandwich looks like. If you ever experienced any of these things that happen in the show, it could be triggering, basically. Without me saying too much to give it away. But look at her. Baby, she's so pretty. Yeah, I just got that cheddar, tomato, bacon. Now, they gave me some type of sauce last time. Oh, it's in here. They didn't put it in here last time, but I mean, the last time, but the time before last, they did. But they did this time, so you feel me?
And it's just a creamy Dijon mustard. The sandwich is good by itself. But I'm gonna put a little bit of it on there.
Feels so big. It's probably not, but it did feel like it. But
let's put this on.
But yeah, girl, I'm gonna get back into the show because this
first bite, guys. Get it. Should not jam. But if you made it, turn the TV down. Oh, look at me. Girl, you look good. I rump back up. Look at me. I gotta get back into vlogging like that. Like, anyway, if you made this far in the vlog, thank you so much for watching. To my returning subscribers, you already know, girl, I love you down to the ground. And if you're not subscribed, definitely I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and join the Jezidor gang. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next vlog. I will be uploading another vlog this week, so stay tuned. I love y'all. Y'all go try this sandwich. If y'all try this sandwich, comment down below. Let me know if it was 10 out of 10 for you. And don't forget to try the cherry berry Sprite. Bye.